One mango tree can feed you or fail you. Eric saved for years and planted everything in one beautiful tree. One dry season, one sickness in the roots, and his whole harvest was gone. That tree is like a stock, a small piece of one single company. If the company does well, your piece can grow. If it struggles, your piece falls with it. Now look at the market maman's basket. She never carries only one thing. She carries many. An ETF works like that basket. One purchase that holds many companies at once. A whole orchard, not one tree. Be careful. An ETF is not automatically safe. The whole market can go down, and some baskets are narrow or expensive. Always ask what's inside. But when one tree has a bad season, the orchard can still stand. Learn what you own before you buy it. Join the waitlist at InvestCam.net. Education only. No advice, no guaranteed returns.